friends, how are you? So today we are going to make a green sauce which is going to be really healthy. So here I'm taking one bunch of coriander leaves, one bunch of mint leaves, one whole garlic and green chilies, 12 to 15 as you want, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So we are just gonna blend it and it's really gonna be a good sauce for your health. Our green sauce is done. We can also make the raita from this chutney, green chutney. All we need is some yogurt. We add just 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, or if you have 250 grams of yogurt, so you can take 2 teaspoons of green chili sauce. That's enough for it. Now we will add some salt, some black pepper powder. Now mix. Our raita is complete now. It's ready to serve. So you can make raita from this green chutney, or you can also just use it as a green chutney with anything. Green chutney or raita, whatever it is, both things are so healthy for you. So I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.